Good morning, this is Terry on Terry's Travels with my grandson Alexander.
Hello.
And today we're on the Welsh
Coastal Path.
Coastal Path indeed. So it goes all around Wales apart from the inland parts, I suppose. It's a coastal path. And you get the impression today that it's a bit windy, and you'd be right. That's one of the problems. An awful lot of coastal erosion can go on. So I'll show you what's happening here. There's an awful lot of wave action here. I don't know how well you can hear me. I'm hoping this dead cat on the microphone is helping a bit. A lot of waves. My goodness, it's windy. So what's happening is that some attempt at stopping the erosion is taking place. So we've got boulders being set in place, and that has caused a problem for the coastal path at present, because no longer can you stick to this lovely little path here. You've now got to go up to here. You'll get to a point where you can't actually go any further because they are doing things to the path. It's not a big problem because there are detours. I'm knackered in that wind. There are detour signs here to show you exactly where to go.
Yeah.
So you get along here. Now if we're unlucky, we'll get doused by the sea, so I'll need to protect the camera a little bit just in case. Whoa, I can feel the spray. You feel it, Alexander? Whoosh. Oh, getting sprayed here. Oh. So you'll get to this point here and you'll find signs like this. Wales Coastal Path Diversion. The diversion isn't along here because this is where it stops. Diversion is going to be up that way. So normally you walk along here and you just carry on past all these caravans and all the way around here. So I'm hoping to do, wow, look, you can even go down there if you wanted to risk being washed out to sea, look.
Oh God.
Wow.
Right.
Oh, yeah, you don't want that.
Yeah.
So when you get to this, you have no option. You really have to go around here. And this is where we'll take you, just to let you see the way it goes. So Ogwen Beach is where this is taking place. So we follow the signs around here into the caravan site, right up to the end here, past those people, and we're going to turn right. Okay, so it's turning right at the end of that road, and where do we go next? Let's find out. Cerdweir pedestrians. A part of this bit we're doing here, if I can turn this round. Yeah, the part we're just walking through here is nothing to do with the coastal path actually. This is to do with development of the Haven caravan site. I believe they're extending it over to this area, so it's going to be an even bigger site in the future. Not very pretty, but this is where the coastal path is going at present. There you are, coastal path. Who would have believed this could be a coastal path? Yeah, you make the best of it, don't you? It's not exactly stunning scenery at present. I'm sure it'll be great when it's finished. But this will be full of caravans when it's finished, I would think. And the coastal path will be back to the normal route once they've finished the boulders. So it's a bit of a double whammy just now. You've got the erosion protection going on, plus you've got this going on. So that's us, coastal path. Coastal, oh there it is, look. Straight across here. Yep, straight across the building works. Not down that way, but down this way. Major works, right enough, on the coastal path. So we get down to here, heading back towards the coast again, and turn left. Well, so we're back to the shore again. Not onto the shore yet. Wow, that's where we were. Yeah, we started off at that slip that you can see. I've gone all the way around the back here and back down to here. Wow, and still we haven't finished yet because the path continues for a little way. Looks like it, that's back onto the coastal path again. So part of the bit we've missed is along there. You can see the guys plotting and planning what to do. So that's us back onto it again as normal. How long did that take us? If you hold that for a second, Alexander. Let's see. That's only taken us 12 minutes. It's nothing really. I don't know how the caravan site, this is the Haven caravan site at the Penachine, I think it's pronounced, the Penachine Peninsula. I don't know how they take to people coming into the cafe off the coastal path and having a coffee or a burger or something. Nobody ever asks us if we are on the campsite or not, so I don't know, I think you'd probably get away with it. I can't see it making a difference to them selling extra coffee and extra burgers, especially at this time of year. But there you go, it's worth a thought, isn't it, if it happened to rain on you. I hope you enjoyed that little trip with us along this very short part of the Wales
Coastal path.
That's the one.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to Terrace Travels.
Thank you very much, Alex. Yeah, that's good. Okay, well, I'll give you a last look over the coast, looking south, I think, on this very windy day on the Wales Coastal Path. Alex says, do like and subscribe, yes, and share it with all your friends who like walking, especially if they intend doing the coastal path. Let's turn you around.
So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.